welcome to our election special State of War Bengal. We're coming to you live from Kolkata. I'm Polami Saha, and the top story we're tracking this afternoon is the fresh controversy which has been quoted by Bengal BJP chief Dilip Ghosh in the wake of the very unfortunate and tragic killings in Cooch Behar. Ghosh said that more Cooch Behar-like killings may happen in the next phase of the assembly elections if, quote, and I quote him here, naughty boys like the ones who died in Sitalkuchi, unquote, try to take the law into their hands. The Trinamool Congress has written a letter to the Election Commission and have also slammed Ghosh for his comments demanding his arrest, saying that this is a clear provocation by the BJP Neta. Ghosh's comments come after 4 persons lost their lives as CISF personnel opened fire after some people reportedly attempted to snatch their rifles while voting was underway in Sitalkuchi Assembly constituency in Cooch Behar district on April 10th.
এত দুষ্টু ছেলে কোথা থেকে এলো? ওই দুষ্টু ছেলেটা কালকে গুলি খেয়েছে কুচ বিহারের শীতলকুচিতে। এই দুষ্টু ছেলেটা থাকবে না বাংলায়। সবে শুরু হয়েছে। যারা ভেবেছে সেন্ট্রাল ফোর্স মানে বন্দুকটা দেখাবার জন্য নিয়ে এসেছে, তারা বুঝেছে ওর গুলির গরম কিরকম। আর এটা সারা বাংলায় হবে। যদি কেউ আইন হাতে নিতে আসে তাকে যোগ্য জবাব দেওয়া হবে। দিদিমণি গণতন্ত্রকে ভয় পাচ্ছেন, জনগণের রায়কে ভয় পাচ্ছেন, তাই ভয় দেখে রাজনীতি করার চেষ্টা করছেন, ইলেকশন কমিশনকে অ্যাটাক করছেন। সেদিন চলে গেছে, মানুষ সমস্ত ভয়কে উপেক্ষা করে সকাল থেকে লাইনে দাঁড়িয়ে ভোট দিয়েছেন। আমি আশা করবো 17 তারিখ সেই দিন আসছে যেদিন আপনারা সকালবেলা গিয়ে লাইনে দাঁড়িয়ে ভোট দিন। সেন্ট্রাল ফোর্স বুথে থাকবে, কেউ লাল চোখে দেখাতে পারবে না। তাহলে আমরা আজ যদি বাড়াবাড়ি করে শীতলকুচি দেখেছেন কি হয়েছে, জায়গায় জায়গায় শীতলকুচি হবে।
BJP state president has said in a public meeting today that there will be more incidents like Sitalkuchi in Bengal. This is a clear case of provocation, and for such criminal provocation the authorities concerned must initiate appropriate legal action by arresting Dilip Ghosh.
ऑर्डिनरी आदमी इंसान का मतलब वो हम किसी माँ का बेटा है, वो किसी के शौहर है, किसी का भाई है, वो उसका जान मतलब। खून का प्यासा होना, हमारा खून ले लो। Dilip Ghosh is not a sensible. It means he is a nonsense.
In fact, Prime Minister Narendra Modi blamed West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee for the Cooch Behar violence, saying that it is because of Mamata's policies that mothers lost their sons. Listen in.
टीएमसी का मार्ग रहा है, मां को सताओ, माटी को लूटो, मानुष का रक्त बहाओ। भाई और बहनों, कुछ बिहार में 2 दिन पहले जिन लोगों की मृत्यु हुई वो भी किसी मां के ही बेटे थे, लेकिन ममता दीदी की नीतियों ने कितनी ही माओं से उनके बेटे छीन लिए हैं। दीदी के मां माटी मानुष की यही असलियत है।
In fact, staying with Cooch Behar, politics has peaked after the unfortunate incident in Cooch Behar. Now, the Election Commission has barred political leaders from entering Cooch Behar. In the wake of that, Mamata Banerjee has slammed the poll panel and said that the model code of conduct should be renamed Modi Code of Conduct. Meanwhile, the Home Minister has also hit out at Mamata Banerjee and held her, in fact, responsible for what happened in Cooch Behar, and the violence, he said, was owing to the provocative speeches which were given by the Chief Minister of West Bengal. In fact, the raging political game in Cooch Behar, the blame game that Cooch Behar has witnessed in the backdrop of 5 lives being lost is continuing.
political fireworks a day after violence in Cooch Behar claimed 5 lives. Mamata Banerjee went all guns blazing against the Election Commission and Centre after the poll panel blocked entry of all political leaders into the violence-hit district for 3 days.
I'll be waiting for 72 hours only because of the MCC. Though I think that MCC ta ekhon hoye geche BJP code of conduct, BCC.
Mamata had announced that she will be meeting with the families of the Cooch Behar firing victims, but had to stall her plans after the Election Commission's decision to block political activity in the area till Wednesday. Home Minister Amit Shah hit out at Mamata, blaming her alleged provocative speeches for the violence.
ममता दीदी ने कुछ ही दिन पहले भाषण किया था कि CIFS, CAPF वाले आए तो उनको घेर लो, उन पर हमला करो। क्या आपका वो भाषण वो 4 लोगों के मृत्यु के लिए जिम्मेदार नहीं है क्या? ये जो उन्होंने भाषण किया था, इसके लिए बंगाल की जनता के समक्ष माफी मांगी।
This is what the Bengal Chief Minister had said, for which she's under fire now.
CRPF যদি গন্ডগোল করে আমি আপনাদের মেয়েদের বলে দিচ্ছি আপনারা ওদের ঘেরাও করে রাখবেন একদল আর একদল ভোট দিতে যাবেন একদল ঘেরাও করবেন একদল ভোট দিতে যাবেন के साथ में नहीं है
Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, who has been vigorously campaigning for BJP in Bengal, also slammed Didi in an exclusive conversation with India Today.
कूच बिहार में जो कल की घटना है बड़ी दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण घटना है। ये टीएमसी की हार को प्रदर्शित करता है कि टीएमसी हार से बौखलाहट में आकर के हिंसा पे उतारू हो चुकी है। कैसे लोग वहां पे अव्यवस्था फैला रहे हैं, लोकतंत्र का कैसा खिल्ली उड़ाने का प्रयास कर रहे हैं, ये तो किसी से छुपा हुआ नहीं है बंगाल के अंदर। इसलिए बंगाल की जनता टीएमसी से मुक्ति चाहती है।
After the killing of 5 people, a pall of gloom has now descended on Cooch Behar, with locals demanding that the guilty be punished.
The police is saying that the local people here who had assembled in large numbers, they tried to snatch the rifle of the CISF personnel, and they were also armed with lathis and dandas in their hand, and that is when the situation went out of control and the CISF personnel had to resort to firing, in which 4 people were killed.
जो आदमी को मार दिया, जो गरीब आदमी, और 4 फैमिली को 1 करोड़ से तनख्वाह मिलना चाहिए।
In the wake of the violence, the poll panel has decided to extend the silence period for the next phase of polling to 72 hours. The Election Commission has also directed the Home Ministry to deploy additional 71 companies of the Central Armed Police Forces for conducting of the remaining phases of polls in the state. With Rohit Singh in Cooch Behar, Bureau Report, India Today.
Right, so a very unfortunate turn of events, the kind of political blame game which is underway right now in the wake of the incident in Cooch Behar. My colleague Prema Rajaram is now joining me live from Kolkata on this story. Prema, an unfortunate political blame game is underway since the incident in Cooch Behar on April 10th. Mamata Banerjee blaming the Home Minister and saying that the central forces are acting at the behest of the MHA and under direction from the MHA, and the BJP saying it was Mamata Banerjee's provocation that led to this unfortunate incident which saw 5 persons losing their lives.
Well, Paulami, even as the EC is still probing what exactly happened after seeking a report, the blame game between the BJP and Trinamool Congress has taken another turn, where the BJP state president has said that many more Sheetalkuchi incidents can happen if this continues, and if people do not go out and they can go out and vote. They can go and vote like on the 17th. And here Mamata Banerjee is saying that this is happening at the behest of the BJP. So it's a war of words here, especially at a time when this incident is fresh in people's minds. It's a sensitive incident, and Mamata Banerjee blaming the Home Minister for what has happened, and said that this all took place in a planned manner. So not just the fact that she's blaming the BJP, blaming the Home Minister, but saying that this happened in a planned manner, and that the Prime Minister was in the know-how of what all is happening. So blame game here that continues, and she's also hit out at Rahul Sinha for saying that not 4 but 8 people should have been killed. So a war of words here between the BJP and the TMC. Back to Polemy.
Right, and some very unfortunate statements also being made in the wake of that very tragic incident in Cooch Behar on polling day. Prema, thank you so much for joining us.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.